So, congratulations, you booked a Tesla Model 3 from a rental company or maybe from someone like me on Turo, and you're wondering, how do I get inside of my car? Well, initially, if you let me know that you're near the car, I will remotely unlock the car for you, and you should be able to open up the doors. Another way to know if the car is locked or unlocked is that the side view mirrors here will be out. To lock the car when you're done driving it, you just use your key card and place it right over here underneath the camera. You will hear a little noise, and the mirrors will then fold. When you're ready to get back into your Tesla, just go ahead and place the key card right here. Again, the car will beep twice and the mirrors will unfold, and you can then push on the door handle to open it and you can get in. It's just that simple.